Hey guys, it's George and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is George and I upload videos weekly, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. But today, we are talking about the men's wellness brand, Hims. I'm on my last vitamin, so I figured now is a perfect time to talk about this company with you guys. And for those of you that don't know who Hims is, you may have seen them on your Instagram feed or heard the promotional commercials. If not, I'll fill you in. Hims is a men's wellness company, most popular for their hair care. They also promote benefits like skin, mouth, and sex. I've been given the opportunity to try out their hair care kits, and there's never really a specific age for when men should start caring about hair loss. I know a lot of guys like to focus on good genes on their mom's side or their dad's side, but let's face it guys, at some point we're probably going to go bald. So, I know myself, I'm going to be an ugly bald. I cannot lose my hair. So I try to find the best products, and I have techniques to prevent going bald. I'm going to film a separate video for my techniques and the routines that I have for my hair care. Today we are just focusing on Hims. Now in this hair care kit came 3 products. First one being the shampoo. Also a solution, and of course, the vitamins. This kit is quoted to be a monthly supply, so I'm just going to break down with you guys my experience for the past month of using these products. We're going to start with the shampoo because all hair care routines must start with a good shampoo. Now this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and it's sold separately also for $11. I didn't mention this, but you could actually purchase Hims products on forhims.com. And if you know me, you know that I like to read descriptions on all the products I review. So the description for the shampoo here says, this shampoo formulated to reduce levels of DHT in the scalp, the hormone that causes hair loss, and adds volume to your hair. In short, it helps you keep your hair on your head if you're into that. Of course, we're into that. Directions are pretty much just like every other shampoo. You want to wet your hair and gently massage onto scalp for at least 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly. Very simple. And personally for me, I only do this once a day. I don't like to use shampoo more than 1 time a day because I feel like your scalp needs to breathe. So that's some advice I definitely recommend. Now as far as ingredients go, I am not a doctor, but I have read a lot of good reviews about this product having great ingredients. So I'm trusting my instinct, and as far as my experience goes, I have to say, after using this, my scalp does feel clean. It has a very menthos minty feeling, and I love that. I do actually use another shampoo. Before I used this, it was by Nioxin, and that gave the same type of feeling. After using it, your scalp felt fresh and it's kind of like gum for the hair, like a winter fresh for the hair. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. Next in the kit, we have the drops, and this is the minoxidil. For those of you that don't know what minoxidil is, basically it's a key ingredient for promoting hair growth and stopping hair loss. So this is very important. How to use this is extremely simple. So basically, after you're done washing your hair, you want to dry it, and it says to apply this to the affected areas with the little applicator. Very easy to use. Now, by affected areas, I think it means parts of your hair where you're balding. Personally for me, I kind of always had a receding hairline, and if you haven't noticed, a rather large forehead. So I just put it all over there. That's my personal technique. You could put it wherever you want. Now it does say to leave on for 2 to 4 hours and apply twice a day. I've only been doing this once a day, and it's right before I go to bed. For a more in-depth description, of course I'm going to read the website. It says here, this topical solution used once or twice a day can put a stop to hair loss and may even help new hair growth. Hair today, hair tomorrow, plenty of hair for grabbing, twirling, and such. All right. I'm beginning to catch that Hims is very flirty. The solution also comes with a guide, and it provides you with a more in-depth description and facts about how to use minoxidil and if it's good for you, if you should talk to a doctor, and all that fun stuff. So very basic. I've researched this, and it's good to use pretty much for everyone, unless you have allergies and stuff. Last, we have my favorite product by Hims, and these are the Handsome Vitamins. Yes, Hims refers to these as the Handsome Vitamins. Now I'm guessing that's because they don't just promote healthier and thicker hair and hair growth, but they also promote healthier skin and nails and a healthier inside. So that makes sense. I'm on my 30th day, so I have my last vitamin there, as you guys can hear. Now these are delicious. I'm not gonna lie, I actually look forward to eating these vitamins on a daily basis, so I'm gonna have to order more. But comes just like this. If you guys can make that out, if not, I'll put a picture here, but it's a little bear. It's chewy. It's delicious. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this really quick. Anyway, this is not a paid sponsorship. I just really enjoy these gummies, these vitamins for men's. Yeah. So basically, like I said, they promote a lot of benefits and contain nutrients for men. So this is probably my favorite product by Hims, and it's not, like I said, just because it tastes good, but I did definitely see a difference after the 30th day. Today's the 30th day, so I feel great. I love these. Again, not a paid sponsorship. One gummy a day, one enjoyable gummy a day as a vitamin, not asking for much. Honestly, if you can't take one vitamin a day, one that you're actually going to enjoy, then you're just lazy. But highly recommend. Out of all the products in the kit, this is my favorite. Shampoo is great, Minoxidil, good, but these, I love these. For the bottle, it's $16, I believe. Now the website for Hims is currently out of stock, so I just pulled that from Google. If it's wrong, I will leave an update in the description, but 16 bucks for vitamins, ones that you will enjoy taking, to have great benefits to it. You will thank me later. If you guys couldn't already tell, I definitely recommend checking out Hims. You could purchase any of these products at forhims.com. There's a lot more that I want to check out from this company, but all three of these items from the hair care kit, I definitely recommend checking out. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I do have techniques and a routine for when it comes to my hair care process, so I'm probably going to film a separate video for that, and of course I will be including Hims products in it, considering it is now a staple in my hair care routine. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my review on Hims products. I hope it helped you out somehow and gave you that advice you needed to check this product out. Like I said, you see this all over social media. It's everywhere. And if you've actually tried out this product yourself, leave a comment down below because I want to know your experience. And if there's anything else hair care related that you think I should try, I want to know that too. So leave it down below. If you have not already, again, I'm going to say, please subscribe to my channel because your subscription means a lot. It's greatly appreciated. And of course, like this video, give it that thumbs up, hit that notification bell again, and share the love. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.